absolutely disgusting.
I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever.
Day 2 of spring cleaning. Okay, it is the next day and we are going to tackle some of the spots in the kitchen and the dining room area. We're gonna get the windows as well, and I want to get underneath of the fridge and the oven because they are absolutely disgusting. Who knows when the last time they were cleaned? We moved into this house almost a year ago. It was a year ago at the end of March, and I don't know when the last time those were cleaned now, but let's start this. You can see all of this nasty, like grimy looking stuff under the fridge, and there's toys under there as well. And then you can kind of see what's underneath of the oven here. It just looks like it needs some help. Before I tackle underneath of the fridge and the oven, I am going to tidy up a little bit around the kitchen and dining room area, and then we will do the windows first. I want you guys to get ready because there are some really disgusting and nasty things that we are going to be cleaning in this spring clean with me. Be prepared because soon you're gonna see the most horrible part is when we get the fridge. Just want to warn you. Baby Ziggs wanted to say hello to everybody. Hello. And if you like spring clean with me videos, please give it a big thumbs up for me. So I was putting the chairs back and I noticed all this stuff under here. And we probably should wipe down all of these surfaces in the table as a spring cleaning thing too, because these hardly ever get wiped down. So I think I'm gonna do that now. I want to know, when do you do your spring cleaning? Do you do it before the first day of spring, after the first day of spring, or do you only clean on the first day of spring? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'm gonna tackle all of the windows here in the kitchen and dining room area, along with our door that goes out to our deck, and just get these all scrubbed down nice and clean. I know I have not cleaned them since probably the first like few weeks that we moved into this house, which was almost a year ago now. So they definitely needed a nice wipe down. Now, I did clean this window back in my fall clean and decorate with me video. So that was quite a while ago. So it wasn't quite a year ago that I wiped down these windows, but the rest of the windows, it was definitely a long time ago. Look at all of this nasty stuff in here. Who knows when this was last cleaned out? This rust stuff is in between the two pieces of glass for this door, so there's no way I can even get in there at all. So, but we can at least try to get all of this stuff up. I'm gonna attempt it. 'Cause now it's a joke someday. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here Y'all, this is just one of the gross parts. Like, we are definitely tackling some nasty, gross stuff in this spring cleaning video, and this is one of them. This is one of the really nasty places, is in this door. I scrubbed and I scrubbed, and I still did not get it fully cleaned. So I'm gonna have to look for some kind of special tool. I know there's one out there, so if I find it, I will definitely share it with you guys.
Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel.
Well, it's looking a lot better than it did. I think I need something extra to get all this nasty stuff out. This is the last window down here that needs to be wiped down, and then we're gonna move on to tackling the most disgusting part of the spring cleaning, and that is behind the fridge. Day 3 of spring cleaning. Here's your warning. Here comes just the most disgusting part. Wow. Oh my crap. Dang. This is why you need to clean underneath of your fridge. Y'all, like this, I was in shock when I saw this, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to clean behind the fridge for the spring cleaning, is to share with you guys how disgusting it can get behind your fridge. So, I mean, I don't even know when this was even cleaned last. We bought this house over a year ago, almost a year ago, the end of March, a year ago, and we've never moved the fridge. So I was almost a little nervous moving this fridge, because what if moving it meant messing up something and then the fridge would stop working? But luckily that did not happen. It's still working just fine. Thank goodness. But wow, what a transformation this was. Well, you guys, this was just absolutely disgusting. It's just like the time when I cleaned underneath of the washer and dryer, except I think this was about 10 times worse. I mean, it was absolutely disgusting back here. So, but who knows when the last time it was cleaned. But I got it as best as I could. I got all the nasty dust and everything out of here. So it's looking a lot better. I'm afraid to use the washing machine. I'm afraid to use the vacuum, because what if I accidentally suck up something super important and vital in there? So I'm like, I don't know. But it's looking a lot better than it was a few minutes ago. And now we're gonna try and tackle underneath of the oven.
Just for motivation.
Well, this doesn't look near as bad as it was behind the fridge, which I had a feeling it wasn't going to be near as gross and disgusting as that, just because, well, I don't know. You know, I really don't know what I was thinking, like why I thought it wasn't going to be as bad. Maybe it's because there's not as much space in between the cabinetry and the oven itself, because there's a lot more space, a lot more airflow, so a lot of more dust can get back behind the fridge maybe, and not so much the oven. So luckily it wasn't so bad, and I'm gonna kind of wipe down parts of the oven that looked kind of gross to me too. So, but we saved some toys under the fridge and under the oven that the kids were very excited about. They're like, oh, there's my toy, give it to me. So I'm glad that we could save the toys and get this spring cleaning all done. And that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope this gave you the motivation to spring clean, like really deep clean, get down in there, get into the dirty stuff and the disgusting stuff and get it clean for spring so you can have a fresh home.